Grandma rode up on a reindeer. I think I'm thinking of the song Grandma Got Hit by a Reindeer. You know, that was a weird thing. You ever heard of that thing? Like, Grandma Got Hit by a Reindeer? It's like, you know, it's a Christmas special where, like, Santa apparently runs over a grandma or something. It was a weird cartoon that, you know, aired for a while, like, you know, in my younger days. And I was just thinking, like, man, I don't understand, like, what the hell's the point of this thing, you know? Like, grandma got hit over by a reindeer? I thought, like, you know, Santa was supposed to be a good guy, right? Like, what's he doing running over a grandma for? But it's too late for Instagram. Only you guys see this thing, and us, of course, and everyone else that lives here. Alright, we're halfway there. We're in Florence right now. We're gonna go get some halal gyros, euros, heroes, whatever you want to call it. What do you call it? Put the pronunciation in the comments so we can see it. But I call them gyros. Euros. I don't really care. I call them whatever I feel like calling them at that point.
Makes sense. Just go with it.
Yeah, man. Like, am I feeling whimsical? Like, I want to say this is beautiful, but this is a town. I don't know, nothing else to say about it. It's a harbor town.
Has its own beauty.
Has its own beauty, small town, you know, small town beauty. Seen plenty of this, lived in it for a long time, for, you know, plenty of time.
Like, I wouldn't mind living in one of these places, bro, for like a few months or something like that, just to like
chill. Yeah. Small towns. I love small towns, man. They're calm, you know, they're peaceful. Big towns, you know, they're always hustling and bustling, and, like, you know, it's cool and all, but, like, I hate traffic, and I hate when there's too much crowdedness. I don't get claustrophobic or anything, I just don't like it. Sand up here. Was this a beach at some point? Yeah, it's a natural site though. I guess this is one of these view sites. Yeah, National Forest Recreation Area. Sweeten. It's cool. I guess this might have been a beach at one point then.
So fairly close.
I mean, I'm guessing the water receded, you know, down at some point, and the mountain ranges, you know, they're high enough to get the water out faster, or they lost the water first. sand mountain. It's a sand dune, is what it is. Did we pass Dune City already? I guess we did. We just passed Dune City. It's just a straight line.
Tsunami has or something.
Yeah, so I guess tsunami could go up through this thing.
I think the level is like fairly, like not too high.
Okay, yeah, just tall trees make it look like we're in the mountains and shit.
What's going on?
With all these trees, you know, they're gonna protect you a little bit. So if you're here, you're probably not gonna see the tsunami, but if you do see the tsunami over these trees, well, I know. Just have your fun in the last few seconds you got. If you got a girl next to you, maybe you should do what comes natural.
Yeah.
Like run away. All right, if that's what comes natural.
Run away, leave her. See you, baby. It's fun while it lasted.
Every person for themselves. Look at that view. Look at that beach. Hey, yo. Look at this massively long beach. I have no idea if this can be even captured on camera properly, but this beach just keeps going and going. Going and going. We're on top of the hill. Like you pass it while driving, but you finally see it right here. Fantastic. Fantastic views. Fantastic views. Alright, let's go. Let's go bingo. 420. Happy 420, everyone. You know, they have a saying, right? Like love is as deep as the ocean, or my love is deep as the ocean, man. I don't think anyone actually realizes how deep it is, man, or how wide and expansive it is. You know, they should probably just say my love is as deep as that lake right there. From here. Running to the other part of this building. Ocean as far as I can see. See, I didn't lie. Look at that long beach all the way over there, if you can see it. Zoom in there. Look at how long that beach just keeps going. To the horizon almost, except for that barge over there. Island right there. Looking right here. Look how fantastic this looks. sea line, sea line, sea line.
Oh, look at this bridge! Look at this
Dang,
bridge!
we just crossed this bridge, I think, no? Or maybe not.
Yeah,
It's
we
still-
did. We did.
Or is it still under construction? No, this is the bridge we just crossed.
the one we just
Man,
crossed.
this is fantastic. This looks awesome.
Oh, look at this view!
Oh my
look at the
gosh.
parking.
Park.
We're parking here.
A sea sculpted landscape. Look at that bridge again. Right under that bridge. That fantastic river leads right into this ocean. And there's some caves down there. And there's a trail to a lighthouse. I think we're gonna take that lighthouse trail. Yeah. Okay, so that trail it leads all the way up there. And I think we can get there through the drive itself. And I don't want to be paying, even if it's $5 just for parking. Yeah, so yeah, let's go.
Which one is it? Oh.
think the Southern Californian beaches are nice. Bro, they don't even hold a candle anymore, right? Like Northern Cali beaches already are better. Now we're seeing Oregon beaches. Like, I guess the sunniness is the only difference, but oh my god, this is the RV park, so like all these people could just have their own beach thing. We could eventually camp here too, but I think it's a paid one.
It's a paid.
Anywhere you see an actual RV is usually paid because they usually need hookups and stuff. Oh, look at that road. We're going right into the forest. Like, look at this view. Look at that. From that, like, oh my god. The beach is right there. The road is right there, just like that. Oh, fantasy view. Fantasy view. So like and subscribe to our page for more of this.